A very good morning, student. This is the EVS class for standard 4th. This is the part 2 of chapter 16 where animals live. In previous video, we have learned about terrestrial animal, arboreal animal, amphibians and aerial animals. Now let us know about some animals which live on the land and live underground, and some animals that seen at night only, and different kinds of birds and their nest. Birds build nests. They carefully choose a place for their nest. A nest should be safe for birds to hatch their eggs. The birds build different types of nest. Let us see. Tailor bird. A tailor bird stitches leaves together with thread, wool, or cotton. The nest is lined with cotton, wool, and dried grass to keep it warm. As this bird sieves its nest, it is called a tailor bird. Woodpecker. A woodpecker makes its nest by drilling and picking a hole in a tree trunk with its sharp beak. Penguin. Penguins make their nest by collecting pebbles and bones and laying them on the ground. Kingfisher. The kingfisher digs a hole in the bank of a river and uses it as its nest. Cuckoo. Most of the birds make their own nest, but the cuckoo is a lazy and clever bird. It does not make its own nest. It lays its eggs in a crow's nest. Sparrow and pigeons make their nest on branches of trees, in windows and ventilators of houses, and in other safe places. They use articles like bits of straw, grass, leaves, pieces of cloths, cotton threads, and feathers to build their nest. Weaver bird. The weaver bird acts like a weaver in making its nest. It makes its nest with materials such as fine strips of palm, banana leaves, and grass. At the lower end of the nest, there is an opening for the bird to go in and come out. A weaver bird's nest is very attractive. Birds protect and feed their young ones in their nest until they are ready to fly on their own. Now let us talk about land animals which live underground. Some animals like rats, earthworms, snakes, and rabbits live in holes or burrows in the ground. Ants make anthills with long tunnels. Termites live in underground colonies. Humans also make shelters for some animals. We keep animals like cats and dogs as pets. Animals like cows, buffaloes, horses, and hens are useful animals. They are tamed by us and they are called domestic animals. We make shelters for our pet and domestic animals. The dog kept in kennel. This is the shade of cows, and buffaloes. Horse lives in stable. This is the hen's house. Now let us know about animals that seen at night only. Some animals are seen only at night like bat and owl. Bats and owls are active only at night. Such animals are called nocturnal animals. During the daytime, they rest in their shelter. Owls build their nests in the hollows of trees. They also use old buildings to make their nests. Now we have done chapter 16, where animals live. Now your homework is take the correct answers.